gravy. Oh, does she have bags?
Feed your dark side. Flame-grilled beef transformed by cracked black pepper cheese, black pepper ketchup, and a darkly delicious sauce. The Dark Whopper. Inspired by the Dark Knight.
It's my house. It's my house. It's my house.
B-A-R-B-I-E. It's my house where my friends wanna be. We love to change it, arrange it, rearrange it, then change it again.
The walls move.
It's my house.
So many rooms.
It's my house.
The rooms move.
It's my house. Be where you wanna be.
It's my house.
It's our house. With Barbie Girl.
Barbie My House set. Doll sets, furniture sets, and Barbie doll dress, each sold separately.
From Walt Disney Pictures.
I feel alive!
Comes the biggest,
It'll be huge, man, huge.
most anticipated
Let it begin!
comedy event of the season.
Bolt! Bolt!
Bolt!
Who Bolt the super dog?
On November 21st.
You're part of a TV show.
That's preposterous.
None of your powers are real.
You got your head stuck pretty good, huh, guy?
No powers?
You're crazy!
No problem.
There's a guard. I'll snap his neck.
Bolt. Rated PG. Presented in Disney Digital 3D. Opens everywhere November 21st.
Yoink!
The new Leapster 2 has over 30 learning games, including Wall-E, Disney Princess, and Star Wars. I'd play them all day if my thumb fit the controls. See the learning at leapfrog.com.
A new menace in space. It's Red Giant. Taking over the solar system. And the only ones who can stop them are... heroes! New voice-com talking figures like the evil Red Giant. Taking over the solar system. Gustus from Jupiter. It's not nothing this team. And Ace from Earth. We got a need for speed. Digger from Mars. Let's do some digging. Planet Heroes voice-com figures and solar quarters each sold separately. Batteries not included.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Silent night.
Aw, come in and warm up.
'Tis the season for giving Pop-Tarts a new holiday foil. You can share more holiday fun at PopTarts.com. Ask parents' permission.
Crazy good!
Now only at Toys R Us. My Disney Nursery Magical Talking Nursery. Little princess, when you wake, the sweetest sound you make. Splish, splash. Time for a bath. Whee! Time for a snack.
Say jeans, baby princess.
You can get it now, but only at Toys R Us. Disney's Magical Talking Nursery comes with everything you see here. Some assembly required. Dresses, doll, and batteries sold separately.
Introducing Wally Deluxe action figures. Help Cube and Stack Wally pop out and stack the trash. Trigger Search and Protect Eve to blast boulders. Clean up with Clean and Go Mo. Wally Deluxe action figures, each sold separately from Thinkway Toys.
New Transformers Animated. In the future, humans and robots live in peace, but the Decepticons have come to destroy it all. Can anyone stop the sinister Starscream? Luckily, the city has new protectors. Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, and the Autobots. They're teaming up to take down the Decepticons and save the city. Transformers Animated. Each sold separately, actual change time will vary. Now you can see how it all started with the Optimus Prime and Megatron DVD and figure pack. Transformers.
Right here at the Red Robin Department of Deliciousness is where we created the 5-alarm burger. It's our spiciest burger yet because of some of the ingredients like the pepper jack cheese and jalapenos. Ooh! Who took a bite of the 5-alarm burger?
She did it. I think her name's Debbie.
Nobody makes gourmet burgers like we do. Uniquely created to be insanely delicious.
Red Robin. Yum.